Welcome back, third graders, to Module 4, Lesson 5, Day 15. All right, let's get started with our learning target. I can read pages 4 through 15 of the text Groundwater and answer text-dependent questions. All right, read that with me. 3, 2, 1, and go. I can read pages 14 through 15 of the text Groundwater and answer text-dependent questions. Good job, guys. All right, today you will read pages 14 through 15 of the text Groundwater and answer text-dependent questions. Remember, that means you have to refer to the text in order to get your answer. So today you're going to need the Groundwater text. You're going to need your journal page, day 13, and you're going to need something to write with. So let's read pages 14 and 15 of the text Groundwater. Remember that you can pause the video and read that to yourself, read it out loud, read it to a pet, read it to your family, your parents, your friend, whoever is around. Future focus. Record drought forced California to conserve water. In just 6 months, people there went from using as much as 140 gallons, that's 530 liters, per person to just 67 gallons, which is 254 liters a day on average. Across the United States, small changes in water use can save hundreds of gallons in the average American home each week. Let's look at the diagram. The chart title is The Trouble with Toilets. The chart is telling us gallons per household per day of water usage, and it shows us different ways that water can be used. Toilet, shower, bath, faucet, clothes washer, dishwasher, leaks, and other. Did you know that toilets use more water than anything else in your house? They do, according to a 2016 study of water use inside 23,749 homes spread throughout the United States, but not as much as they did in a similar 1999 study. Newer, more efficient toilets help send less water into the sewer. Some families also practice selective flushing. That means they don't flush the toilet each time they use it. By installing low flush toilets and taking shorter showers, we can use less groundwater. Another small effort that can save gallons is running only full loads in washing machines and dishwashers. Some people are also saving water by replacing thirsty grass in their yards with plants that need less water. Saving our groundwater isn't easy. People need to drink. Farmers need to irrigate crops to grow our food. Still, we can be smarter about how we use this resource, both now and far into the future. Take a look at the photograph. The caption reads, "Some Los Angeles homeowners swapped grass for other plants in the dry summer of 2014. All right, time to think. We're going to think about these two questions today, and they're similar to the ones we've done before. What do you think the main ideas of pages 14 and 15 are, and what details did you find to support the main ideas? Remember, you need to go back to your text when you're talking about it. So think for a few minutes about the main idea. All right, let's talk about it. Here's your first question. According to Groundwater, what are ways to conserve water? You can use the sentence starter to talk about it if you need to. Remember, you're going to pause the video. You're going to open that text and make sure that you're referencing it when you're answering your question. And you're going to either talk to somebody around you, or you can even go talk into the mirror. Welcome back. All right, here's our second question for you to talk about it. What details in the text support your point of view for question number 4? That means the question you just answered. In the text, the author writes about, "This supports my thinking because." You could use that sentence frame to help you answer this question. All right, it is time to write about it. You are going to go to your note catcher on day 13, question 5. You're going to write an answer to question 5. Notice that my note catcher has an error on it, so I want to fix that. It says, what details in the text support the point of view from question 6? That should say question 4. So you answered the question, according to Groundwater, what are ways to conserve water? Now it's time for you to actually fill that in and complete question number 5 as well. Have a great day.